Hey, hello everyone. Very good evening to all. So, what else we need to discuss? Maybe so many concepts. Maybe there some of the concepts may not discussed by me, but some concept. Actually, my main intention is, guys, we need to discuss a project, a small project. That's what my main intention. That's why we discussed about a user management module. This is, I think, it is going to be helpful to you a lot, right? Okay, great. The next thing is here, what else we need to do once the PHP course is completed? So what we need to learn and what are the things we have to do? So first of all, you should complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP and MySQL. I think as of now, you concentrated all these technologies, right? I think so. I think you still continuing JavaScript classes, I believe, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. Okay. So these are the things you concentrated as of now. Okay. The next thing, guys, here you need to check this. Sir, once this is completed, is this is enough, sir, to get the job? But very, I can say, 50% chances are there to get the job with this skill set. Definitely, guys, right? There are some openings are there, especially on PHP. If you know about these technologies, yeah, we can. But 50% chances only. I cannot give you 100% here. Okay, once these technologies are completed, you guys should know the thing. What is it is going to be, guys, here? You have to learn about what you have to learn, guys. Definitely, everybody should know one framework. I'm writing something called one framework. Besides this framework, you should know about jQuery as well. Okay, jQuery as well, guys. Right? This is very important thing I'm saying you. If it is not, if there is no new batch for you for the framework, you can go to our YouTube channel. There is a series for the Coordinator 3, Coordinator 4, and try to watch those videos. You will get very clear idea what is exactly a framework is, how a framework will be works for us, and all. Seriously, guys. At the end of the day, finally, in JavaScript, you should know two more concepts, guys. Here, JSON and Ajax. Also, you should know, right? So these are all the skill set. At the end of the day, maybe you can take 1 more month to complete the framework. It's going to be very easy. HTML, CSS, and this is going to be JavaScript. And in this, we can take Ajax, we can take JSON, we can take jQuery, right? jQuery is also very important, guys. jQuery. If you know JavaScript, you can understand jQuery, right? Who is the father of jQuery? JavaScript is the father. And PHP and MySQL with one framework. One framework is enough. There are a lot many frameworks may be there, but it's not mandatory to know each and every framework. But if you know one framework, that is enough, guys. Okay, all right. And one more thing, I don't know. I don't want to collect your contact numbers and all, guys, here. But I will tell you, there is one of my page in the Facebook. You can go with PHP ROM is the page name. You can just go to this page name and you can like the page. Okay, why? Because I'm asking you, if I got any openings, I will post the opening into the particular website, a particular Facebook page. There you can see the information and you can apply to the job. Okay, because I don't want to collect, I don't want to maintain any WhatsApp group. Just I will post the information in PHP ROM and you can just go with the same story, guys. Okay, so there you can any kind of job notifications if I got. And this is, and one more thing, if you can get all these skill set in your resume, guys, I think there are more opportunities are there. If you are able to get this particular skill set in your resume, definitely, guys, right? You can see I told you the same skill set you can take here. Here you can add one framework. So you can take this as a Laravel ORR. You can take this as the same skill set. You can take this as a coordinator. You can go with coordinator 3 or coordinator 4. Anyone you can know about it. No problem. Both will be easy. Nothing difference will be there. Codeignator. So Codeignator latest is Codeignator 4 is the latest version, guys. Here you can go any of the version you want. Okay, one framework I mentioned, right? But remember, when your skill set is increasing, when your experience is increasing, try to learn some more technologies also, so that it will be easy, right? So for the people, anybody, if you are having this skill set in your resume, guys, here I'm telling you seriously, anybody want to go through fake experience? Yeah, you want to go? Yes, guys, you can go. 0 to 4 years, we can go with this experience. I mean, if you have this skill set in your resume, it is an equivalent skill of a person who is working in a company with 4 years knowledge. Definitely, guys, if you have this same skill set, whatever I'm mentioning in the screen, anyone, I'm not asking you the both Laravel or Codeignator. That's why I don't want to mention this. Let me take this, right? So if you have this skill set in your resume, the selected one, you can go with a 0 to 4 years. I mean, you should be learned perfectly by doing a project or by doing something. If you can able to learn, I think it will be easy. Okay, right? So you can go and check this framework. Will be very, very easy, guys. It won't take much time, especially if you are trying to learn Codeignator framework. 10 days is enough to understand the framework. 10 classes is enough. By first 10 videos, you will understand what exactly the framework is. But every framework, I told you very recently some of the concepts, right? What is a class and object, a constructor, this keyword, inheritance. If you know these 5-6 concepts, guys, I think it is enough to work with any of the framework. Okay, there is Laravel is also having very good demand. Codeignator is also very good demand. Try to learn one framework. Okay, right? Concentrate on this, guys. Here now, this is your time is now. You are going to be complete all these technologies. Now you are going to learn extra one framework. Spend 1 more month, guys. It's a boost up to your resume. It's a boost up to your skill set. Okay, just by using this skill, 50% chances are there to get opportunities. But if you have this skill set, I can tell you 100% you are ready to work for the company. Why? Because every PHP developer should know one framework. You may be a fresher or you may be an experienced person. I don't know, but you should know one framework must and shouldly, guys. Here, this is very important. Keep it in mind. One framework everybody should know. It's mandatory. Okay, right. So what else we need to do, guys? Here, this is the skill set, and try to concentrate one framework. Actually, you are asking Bootstrap also, right? Bootstrap, actually, it is going to be designing framework. If you're interested, you can learn the Bootstrap. Just 1 week or 5-6 videos, if you can watch the Bootstrap, you will understand what exactly Bootstrap is. Bootstrap, actually, in every company, there is a separated team for working designing, for working development. You are the developer. You want to learn. See, if you know Bootstrap as well, you can slowly become full stack developer, because you can design a layout and you can do something development also with the layout, guys. This is possible. If you are interested, it's all about your choice. So I'm not going to add this Bootstrap here. Actually, you are learning PHP course. Definitely you are going to become a backend developer. Definitely in my company also, there is a separate team for designing something. They will design the layouts. They will give to us. We will develop the layouts. That's all. We don't worry about the designing in much way, right? So it's not worry about it, right? So guys, for 2 years or 3 years, anything, guys, I'm telling you, right? 0 to 4 years. If you have this skill set, if you learn this skill set, take 4 years experience in your resume, you can go. If you have that gap, when you passed, if you can pass it 2017, you can take 4 years. If I pass it 2018, I will take 3 years, something like this. Got the clarity? So, but I want to tell you one thing, guys. Sir, if we went with the fake experience, what will be happen, sir? Can we survive there? People may have some questions actually. What type of work they will give us? I have 4 years experience. Company may expect more from me. People will ask us like this, sir, will they give complex tasks for me if I am experienced person? Remember, you may be an experienced person or you may be a fresher. Work is the same. Keep it in mind. There is no change in the work. So you maybe have experience or you may not have an experience, but work is the same, guys. Here, for example, I have 9 years experience. You are fresher. You are selected in my team. I and you are working on the same project. So because if you are a fresher, I don't want to give you simple tasks. Whatever is the task I'm doing, I will give the same task to you. But don't worry about it, right? So if you have that gap, you can manage it, guys. Otherwise, you can leave it, no problem at all. So just if you have the gap. Otherwise, this skill set is enough for fresher openings, guys. Actually, last month, I think I already told you, so many companies are calling us. We need PHP freshers. We need PHP freshers, right? Actually, the management of HD Labs, I believe I informed already to you, right? This person is, he has a contact with me. He's asking us, sir, is there any fresher? Or sir, is there any freshers? Are there still? You can send the resumes. He is asking me. But actually, this HD Labs requiring Laravel framework also, right? That's the reason I'm telling you. Now onwards, exactly 1st September, take 1 month exactly. Try to learn one framework by going through YouTube or by some other faculty somewhere around. Learn one framework and try to be perfect. By the October 1st, you have to update your resume with all this skill set. And you can try to upload your resumes, guys. Definitely, you will get a lot of calls from your locations with this skill set. If you just know PHP MySQL, you cannot. If you know all the 8 technologies I mentioned here, right, then you will get more calls on your resume. So please plan as per that. Okay, this is the thing. So whatever your resume may be, I don't bother about it. How your resume format may be, add this skill set in your resume. Your resume should get some weight. Weight in the sense, by adding papers, will you get some weight? No. By adding the skill set, your resume will get more weight. I mean, most of the people will call you by seeing this skill set in your resume, guys. Okay, right. So this is one thing. Sir, what about interview? So some people will tell us, sir, I'm having very much fear about interviews, sir. I cannot be successful in interviews because I'm having fear. But don't worry, for those people, you don't need to worry about your fears and all, guys. It's not a matter. You don't bother about the things and all. Today, every company is expecting from you some technical knowledge. I want to prove myself I'm technically good. I don't want to communicationally good. I don't want to be communicationally good. In which language you are flexible? Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, right? You can go with the language. No need to worry about it. In which language you are flexible? You can speak the same language in interview, but you have to prove yourself. I'm technically good. That's all. So it is enough to get the job. Don't worry and don't get fear to attend the interviews. First of all, try to habituate to attend the interview. I think you will get rid of the fear. Definitely, after attending 4-5 interviews, you will get habituated of attending interviews. You don't have any fear at all. Simply, guys, this is very simple thing. You can do the same job. I think it is going to be helpful a lot to you. But attending interview is very important. But some people, sir, I'm very good in PHP, but I'm not communicationally good, sir. I have some fear, sir, in interview. To attend the people, most of the people will say 2 reasons. I'm not communicationally good. I have fear. So what they will do, right? I don't know. Why are you thinking about the fear? Why are you having the fear? So in interview, what type of question they will ask us? Let them ask 10 questions, guys, in interview. I will say, for all the 10 questions, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. 10 times I will say, I don't know. What he will do? Will he beat you? Right? He don't touch you and he don't do anything to you, man. So he will simply say, sorry, sir, we will get back to you soon. For this question, you are getting fear. Actually, interview is very cool, guys. If you don't know anything, simply they will say, okay, sir, we will get back to you soon. Okay, sir, our HR will get back to you soon. For these reasons, are you getting fear? I don't know. So you can question yourself. What will be happen in interview, guys? If you attend the interview, what will be happen? Okay, you are communicationally not good. You are programmatically not good. What will be happen if I attend the interview? Will they beat you? Will they harm you? Nothing, right? If you didn't say anything, by sitting calmly in the interview also, they will politely will say you, sorry, sir, we will get back to you soon. Are you having fear for this? I don't know, guys. How can I say I don't know? But see, In my company also there are interview panels, guys. When there is an interview panel, so many students will come as a freshers, experienced persons, and all people will come. Generally freshers having some fear, we will say, right? So don't worry, what is the language you are flexible, why are you having fear, which language you are flexible? So generally if we ask them, they will say, sir, I'm having fear, sir, my hands are shivering. Okay, so I cannot good in English to speak with you, sir. Okay, no problem. So prove yourself technically good or not. This is what you guys needs to understand. What happened exactly outside? Don't lose the interview, guys. Here you are a very good, you are such a good person, you have a very good knowledge on PHP. Prove yourself, I am good in PHP programmatically. I'm not, I may be not communicationally good, I may not something, whatever it may be, you may have a fear or whatever it may be, right? So don't worry, I am communicationally not good, but I am technically good. This is what exactly the companies are expecting today. No one will question you, why are you not speaking in English in interview, guys? In which language you are flexible, speak in that language. Don't worry about it. Okay, right? Interviewer also will speak in your language. Don't worry. If you are in your state, you can speak in your own language. Maximum of the states people knows all languages. Maybe everybody knows Hindi and the state people and whatever it may be, guys. In your state, I think you can speak in your own language. No problem about it. Right, first of all, getting job is important, guys. Here, so many people are, they're technically good. Actually, I know that they're technically good, they're leaving simply the interviews because of having fear, because the thing reason, guys, they have some communicationally not good. They're deciding their self. You guys are deciding yourself, I'm not good in communication, right? Are you going to decide like this by yourself? Right? No, man, you cannot cheat yourself. Okay, first try to attend the interview first. This is one point I'm saying. You, no one will harm you if you are not saying anything for you. Seriously, guys, what will be happen? Tell me one thing. If you are attending interview, you don't know anything, you have blank space in your mind, you are attending the interview, what they will do if you are not answering for any question? What they will do? Nothing, man. You will get a lot of experience, and you will also habituate how to react in the interviews also. You will play with the interviewer also after some after attending some interviews, man. Seriously. So I don't know, maybe if this is the reason, communicationally not good, I am having fear. If you are saying these are the reasons, don't worry about it. Some people will say, sir, I don't have good academics, sir. Who asked your academics? Maybe MNC companies may ask your academics, maybe, but in the all small companies, remember carefully, they will always look your communication. No, how good you are technically. That's what they will look for you, guys. Okay, keep it in mind. So this is, you can brainstorm your mindset, guys, here, so that you can easily attend the interviews. This is the thing. Actually, what happened in interview, this is what exactly the things will be happen, guys. So, right. So, all right. You are asking, Meena Kumari, is there any website for taking freelancer project? Yeah, definitely. If you want to work as a freelancer, you should know everything. I mean, you have to know front end, you have to know back end. I mean, you have to design, you have to develop the things, guys, right? Definitely, I will get a lot of freelancer projects. Actually, right now, I'm doing one freelancing project. Actually, when I am busy, I will give to some of my friends, actually. So this is the one I'm doing right now as a freelancing project. VedaInfotech.net is a website which is from US. Actually, a person contacted me, and where we are doing the website. Why this website is loading very slow? I don't know the problem. Is it loading? Play.google.com. Okay, it is loading. I don't know the reason why this is taking this much of time. Okay, it is loaded finally. Thank you. Right. So this type of websites we can do, guys, here. Right. So don't worry. Some of the things. Right. Do you know what is the programming language I used here? I didn't use any programming language, guys. Simply there is a CMS called WordPress CMS. By using this WordPress CMS, we can create a website within a single day. I spent 2 hours of time to create this layout. I didn't write any code here. Already they written the code, and I just need to know how to use this, guys. Okay, right. Definitely, man. So if you guys are having any, if you need any freelancer projects, definitely we will post you if we got anything. Actually, we don't want to take big projects. We want to take very small projects only. If I work for 5 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours, if it is completed, if it is going to be completed, then I will take the project. I don't want to take very big projects. I mean, I have to manage the trainings, I have to manage my office work. If I sit on a Saturday, Sunday, I can easily complete this. It won't take much time for me, right? Okay, don't worry about this. It's not a matter. So, right. What else, guys? Right. So, but don't be late. Attend the interviews. That is very important, guys, sir. After after getting a job in a company, how much time you can shift your job or switch the company from? Okay, it's not a matter, Nero Patel. If your company is very good, first of all, you have to understand this in your company. Once you joined in a company, first of all, you can question yourself: is this company is good? Is there any learning curve? Is this company is encouraging me to learn new technologies? If such a company is there, you don't need to leave it. You don't need to leave it. But for getting better package, wait for 2 years. Wait for 2 years. I will tell you. Wait for 2 years. Work in the company for 2 years. After that, you can go for the company, another company. It's a good idea. But as a fresher, just for 1 year, if you are changing the company, I think it's not a good thing as a fresher. Work for 2 years or 2.5 years and try to jump from another company. No problem. It is a good thing, I believe. I think as a fresher, if you can selected in a small company, you can learn a lot of skill actually as a fresher if you're selected to a small company. Where we find the freelancing project? There are a lot of websites are there, guys. You can register your account there, and from there you can contact to the persons also. Freelancers.in, freelancer.com, some websites are there. Lot of people will bid the projects actually, or else you can create a page in social media. In the social media you can post some posts, whatever it may be. You can post some information regarding web application development. We will do something like this, right? You don't need to pay anything for that. Freelancer.com, freelancer.in, just you can create a regular account, right? How much they paid in the sense based on the task they will provide you. If it is a complete website, they will mention the price also, guys. Here actually what they will do, they will mention a project with some kind of a price. Are you okay with the price? You can bid the project. So I don't like this price for this project. You don't need to bid the project. You can go for the project which is going to be, it is all in dollars only, guys. They will make you something in the dollars. I think you can check this. Freelancer, 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 freelancer.com. You can go there. We can, I think I need to log in, browse jobs. Here you can find the jobs as well. Find freelancer, find jobs by skill, by language, by future job. Find freelancer by skill. Okay, by skill I want to find. So Photoshop 3D web developers. Can you see, guys? This is the web developers. Now you can see find PHP web developers. I'm clicking on it. Let me search for it. This is what exactly. Oh, this is hiring concept, I believe. This is not a project here, I believe. I think these people are hiring us. You can create an account here also, guys, here, right? It's not a problem at all. You can apply for the jobs also, right? What I want to do here exactly, I want to look for find freelancers. Actually, I need to see the projects actually. Mobile application development, web development, how to hire a developer. Actually, I need to log in, guys, I believe. So after login only, I can find the things, I believe. Earn money freelancing, maybe. You can check this. Oh, I think login. I need to log in, guys. If we can log into this, and there we can find the projects for PHP projects, for other projects, and everything you can see. Java, PHP, .NET, Angular, React, everything we can see here. Naresh IT provide any free training session for what? Which technology, Atib? How many rounds may be there in interview? Guys, for especially PHP, maximum 3 rounds, guys. 3 rounds will be there. What are the 3 rounds? You know, first face-to-face round. They will, right now it may be a Zoom meeting or anything, whatever it may be. It is going to be face-to-face round. Second one, 90% system task. And finally, your HR round. That's all. Remember, if you can complete the system task, right, the second step will decide your job. If you can complete the system task, 100% your job is confirmed. 100% job is confirmed. HR is secondary. So what type of tasks they will give you? Register form task. We know how to create register form, right? Some Ajax related tasks, right? Getting data from Ajax, register form, login form, right? Login and login and logout. Both will be, they will ask us, guys, here sometime, right? CRUD operation, CRUD, CRUD operation by using Ajax, right? Some kind of task they will give us. So you have to ready to work with us. And this is going to be multiple file uploading as well. Such a kind of task they will give you. Maximum registration form, login form, logout form. So these are the two things they will ask us mostly in interview, guys. Okay, right, keep it in mind. But if you can, as a fresher, if you can complete the system task, 99%, 100% your job is confirmed, right? Because you are technically proved yourself, I'm technically good, because you completed a system task, right? All the programs I shared you already with you, and whatever it is not shared with you, I will share you again, don't worry. So these are the things you need to remember, guys. Keep it in mind. Maximum 3 rounds, guys. Sometimes 4 rounds also, maybe. What type of project to add for 2 years experience resume? You can add any of the project, man. If you have any e-commerce applications or any other applications, if you have, you can add 1-2 projects is enough for 2 years, right? 1 or 2 projects is enough for 2 years experience. I will share my contact information, Nero Patel, for that information, don't worry. So let me give you my information as well. I think you have my mail ID, right? rambaburi@gmail.com, and this is my number. You can go to this number as well. Okay. You can WhatsApp me or you can mail me. Okay. So I'm just sharing you this information to everyone. So any guys, whenever you are struggling in your work or whatever it may be, you can just send me the situation. I will explain you. If you are unable to do this, I will write the code as well. Okay. But it may not be immediate. Okay. But definitely I will reply you back. Sometimes you may stuck in writing a logic, right? Definitely I will be help you guys. Okay. There, definitely. So you don't need to miss me. Definitely we will be always in touch, because I shared my number, right? You can always contact me at any time, whatever you required. You need any job support, or you're stuck in anywhere in your logics and all, you have to message me, no problem. Any of the editor you can use in the system task, madam. So don't worry about it. That is of your choice completely, Anita. The editor may be company maximum they will provide Visual Studio Code today in every system. Visual Studio Code editor, basic editor, Notepad++, they will provide us. So you can use any of the editor of your choice. Any other questions, guys? How to generate PDF, right? For PDF generations, actually, we have a third-party library. you can go to Google and you can find the library name called MPDF. Okay, MPDF library for PHP. Okay, they will show you everything. You can just go for Google, and in the Google we can find that MPDF library for PHP. This is the library you have to download, and they will tell you. You can see, if you don't know, this is all the project files they will give us. You have to download it, and here in the manual they will tell you how we have to work with the MPDF usage, how you have to use this MPDF library. Wherever you need PDF, there you can go there, require the library, create the PDF class, and write something and write MPDF. Automatically a PDF file will be generated to you. Just with hello world, a PDF will be generated to you, and you can design and you can do anything, guys. Everything you have to go to the official website, online manual. There you can see they will provide you the manual. By going to the manual, you can read everything here. This is MPDF, and here everything they will be set up, installation and setup, getting started, fonts and languages, configuration, tables, paging, headers and footers in the PDF, setting PDF file properties. What else? We are, a lot of things are there. What else can I do? Right, some real life examples. Okay, let me see what are the real life examples. You have PDF from every page of our website, email PDF file, A5 booklet, letters, letterhead. Okay, letterhead and letters. Can we see some examples here? Oh, this is the code, guys. They're already given the code. You can just access this code, I believe. By running this code, I believe you can get a PDF file will be generated automatically, guys. Okay, I'm sharing you this URL with you, and if you want, you can integrate it. For everything, there is a third-party modules, guys. Here, you can go with the same, right? You can get the things. I don't delete that 8 p.m. July folder. That will be forever, right? Don't worry about it. So otherwise, you can download the files now. You can download the files and you can upload into your drive. What happened? So, but I will never delete the files. No problem. Nero Patel, very tough question to me. You're asking me about you worked in healthcare, but if I went for IT, how can I survive? What shall we do, Nero? When you are leaving your healthcare domain, you are going to get some experience certificate, right? Work experience. What is the role they will mention in that? If possible, you can ask them, give me as a developer role. I think it will be helpful to you. Otherwise, but you need to prove yourself, man, right? So in online interview system task, maximum, they may be see, they may not see. I too don't know. Actually, system task you have to complete in your computer. Once system task is completed, you have to send to the company, right? Some companies are asking face to face today. We have to walk into the company, and some companies giving us the task like this. Okay, if they are giving the task us, and if they give a task to you, if you're unable to do, let me know. I will here to help you. Don't worry about it, right? So if I have any code, I will quickly give the code to you, and we can execute the code and we can send the assignment to the company. No problem. Sometimes it will be also happen, guys. So many people, sometimes people are called me in interview. Sir, I'm in interview, sir. I have this following task they given. How can I do? If you have any code, you can send me, sir. Okay, don't worry. If I have the code, I will definitely send you. In webcam, they will monitor you definitely, man. So I think it is a face-to-face interview now. In the webcam, they will monitor you, right? They will monitor you definitely. If it is system task, definitely system task won't be completed in 1 hour 10 minutes, right? It may take 2 hours time. It may take 1.5 hour time. Definitely they won't sit in such a time. Actually, they will leave the place simply. I don't know about Lithium technology, how many rounds are there actually. So if you got call, you can ask them. Maximum 3 rounds will be there, guys. First 2 rounds at least, face-to-face round and system task, definitely. For PHP, definitely they will give you system task. Yeah, any other questions you have, guys? Let me know, please. Definitely, Nero. So we will come definitely. What happened? Saurabh, you sent any message to me? Actually, jQuery is not there in our YouTube, Prakash. Definitely, I will plan to add the videos. Actually, video recordings are done, but I need to upload the videos. I have to check the video libraries. Actually, I have a lot of videos. I have to filter the videos. Once I filtered, I will upload the videos as well. Okay, definitely, I will add the videos. Any other questions, guys, here? So anyhow, what is okay. So Jagannath temple. Okay, we will try. Definitely Puri. So yeah, sure, Nero. Send me a WhatsApp message so that I will find some best series meanwhile, and I will send you to you. Okay, Laravel, regarding Laravel. Let me find, because a lot of versions are there in Laravel. What is the latest version and all? We need to check it. So I will tell you the same. Okay. Actually, my Facebook page is fb.com, I believe. fb.com. Is it logged in? Oh, I need to log in. So 1 minute, it is going to be. Can I add like this? ROM PHP? Will it come? I think it will become. I think this is my page, guys. I think you're able to see, right? You can just like the page. Okay. So if you have any notifications we got, and we will send you to you guys. Okay. Anything I will post here, definitely. Okay. Just you can go with I think you are able to see my image, right? So you can go with the same page. Okay. So I think it will be helpful to you. I mean, if any post is came to me, I will post into this page, definitely, because I cannot inform you to everybody by call, right? That's why I'm choosing this channel. If I got anything, definitely I will inform you guys. Okay. Right. For PHP interview questions, you can go into the following website also. I prepared some interview questions, guys. Actually, you can go through these interview questions as well. Okay. Here, interview questions, PHP, right? This is the interview questions. You can just go through it. Okay. These are the some interview questions you can able to see. What happened? This is some of the questions. Oh my God. I need to close this advertisement. All right, this is the link I'm sharing with you. Don't worry. You can go to the following website and you can find the interview questions as well. Okay. Okay. PHP interview questions. If you have any doubts, you can post me in my WhatsApp, man. No problem. right? I can here to help you. If you need any video support also, definitely I will provide my meeting details. I will take the control of your screen. I will help you there. Okay, don't worry about it. So my journey, you want to know, Nirav Patel. Actually, I started working as a web developer. Actually, just not developer, actually designer. Just basic HTML and CSS. But 2010, I completed my post graduation MCA. After that, I didn't got job actually. Every fresher definitely won't get job by completing the course immediately. I taken almost all 2 years time, guys, to get the job, right? So I selected as a Java developer, but I didn't work on Java. I worked as a web designer. After designing completed, company asks me to work on PHP. I learned PHP my own. On those days, there is no institutes actually to train PHP. 2012-13 time. Okay, I learned PHP. I started teaching PHP from 2014 onwards actually. From last 7.5 years, I'm teaching you PHP, guys, actually. After that, I selected a company. After that, I resigned the the previous company, the first company. After that, I went for some other company. There, I started working on WordPress. Actually, WordPress is also one of the PHP CMS. After that, I started working on CodeIgniter framework. Right. After that, in the present company, I worked in the previous company almost all 2.5 years. In the present company, I'm working almost all 4.5 years in the present company, which I'm working with the present company. Okay, so this is my journey is all the technologies I worked on, guys, front-end technology. Right now, in the present company, I'm working on JavaScript, jQuery, and React.js and Angular. These are all I am working on, as well as Drupal also. Drupal is also one of the CMS. I'm working multiple technologies, not on one technology right now. So we have various technologies are there. I'm working on different technology. I don't know. Right now, this is my project actually. You are able to see on the screen. This is a React application. I have to generate a step-by-step form. If I click next step, if I click the next step like this, it has to go some step-by-step forms. Actually, this is I'm working on it. These forms should be come here dynamically, right? That is a big story. You don't need to understand, right? Don't worry. So see, I want to tell you one thing, guys. When our experience is increasing, our skill set also should get increased. You cannot stick with PHP forever, for years. So, okay, you worked on PHP. What about tomorrow? Right. So I want to learn some new technology. Definitely, guys, we want to learn some new technology. You have to concentrate on the same. Okay. So be like this. I think it will be easy for you. After working for 2 years on PHP, try to learn some other technology and try to go for the same. How much salary we can get as 4 years experience or fresher? Fresher means minimum 14,000, guys. Today, fresher. If you have 4 years experience, you may get 7 to 10 lakhs package. If you can take 4 years experience in PHP, you may get 7 to 10 lakhs based on the company, that too. But minimum 7 lakhs package will be there. If you have 4 years experience, maximum 10, or some MNC companies, if you can go like they will provide you up to 12 also, right? But a minimum is 7 to 12, 7 to 10. Yeah. So any other guys you need? So, but I can say you guys, I'm saying you best of luck, and try to attend the interviews first of all without having any fear. Okay, that's very important thing, guys. Don't neglect the time. So seriously, if you are in the need of job, try to learn one framework as well. Try to update the resumes and try to attend the interviews as well, guys. Okay. Some companies, what they will do, they will select you on PHP only, but internally they will provide you some training on the framework. Companies will do this job actually. So you are lucky then, right? So, but attending the interview is very, very important, right? Don't neglect the things, right? Time is precious, right? You can go with Naukri and Monster also for uploading your profiles. Actually, guys, for PHP, I observed Monster, I got more calls actually. 4 years back, not right now. I'm not uploading resumes, but right now I don't know. But you can try to upload your resume in the both portals, Naukri and Monster. Okay. Actually, small companies will use Monster only. Small companies to post their jobs actually because they are having less pricing, I believe. So you can check this. Dhanyawad Nero Patel. Thank you very much. But one thing, guys, my support will be there forever. Okay. You have any doubts while working? If you're facing any problem, if you're unable to write the logics, let me know. I'm here to help you, man. Okay. Right. And best of luck, everybody. So I'm signing off. Okay. Right. Thank you all. Thank you all, guys. Thank you very much.